If you're finding that your Louvre Gun trigger is sticking, if you push it down and it's not retracting, or it's very slow to pop up back up like this one, I'm going to show you how to disassemble it and to fix that issue. What you want to do is take something like this. This is a pin punch. Maybe you can use a small screwdriver. I'm going to push this pin out from here, and it might come out easier one way than it will the other way. Just take that pin out. Then the trigger lever can come off, and we can see there we've got this little plunger. Now at the bottom we have a cap. We can loosen that off. We have that cap there, which has a small section in there which the spring sits into. We can take that spring off, and we can push this plunger down. So we want to push that out and use this to push it all the way. And it's got a couple of O-rings in here. So what's likely happening is these are getting a bit dry and they can't, freely move inside the Louvre Gun handle there. So I'm just going to use a little bit of this high performance or lithium grease or silicone grease. We sell these on the website if you need some. This stuff's really good to use if you have anything that uses O-rings, like DI tanks, RO systems. It just helps everything slip a lot easier. So now that I've got a bit of grease on there, I'm going to pop this back in. The round part that needs to go to the top, so we'll put that in first. And I'm going to put this spring on top of that. It's got a little section it'll sit in. And then the cap, we want to make sure that is centered on the spring, and we can just go ahead and push that in and then thread it on. Tighten up all the way. And now just checking with my thumb, that's retracting really quickly straight away. It's exactly what we want. So we can line up the trigger part with that hole where the pin goes. And then we just slide the pin back in place. Use this to push it in all the way. And it'll just sit flush on either side of the handle there like that. And there we have it. So yeah, just the O-rings are just dried out a little bit. They just need a little bit of grease and you can get back to it. So that might be a little bit of maintenance you might need to do on this one, just because it's got water passing through it and they might eventually dry out again. But yeah, that's a 2-minute job to fix your Louvre Gun.